I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the multi-touch functionality test in this Mi11X device, as you can see, friends. So this is a test which I'll be doing in a couple of other smartphones as well previously. For example, Redmi K20 Pro, where there is multi-touch issues happening in the phone. So let's see, friends, whether by using this kind of application, we'll be able to find any kind of multi-touch issues is there in this Mi11X device. The reason why I'm doing this video because a lot of users, they did comment under my videos that they're having the issues while playing the PUBG game particularly. Even I did a separate video on that one as well regarding the PUBG game. So make sure to watch that video, friends, in case if you're having any kind of doubts. But in this video, let's focus only on this kind of multi-touch functionality test using this application. And just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description for the playlist of the Mi11X device. You can find all the videos in one single playlist. So let me open the multi-touch application, friends. So this is the first time I'm trying to test this kind of app as well. So let's see what will be the results. So it is the first one finger and two finger. As you can see, they are kind of really good. So not much disturbance is happening. So three fingers. As you can see, friends, four fingers I'm trying to use right now. 5. So maximum 6, I think 10 fingers you can use in this device without any kind of issues. So if you're playing the PUBG game using these two fingers, as you can see, these are, they won't, as you can see, there's some kind of disturbance going on. So let me try to use the four finger gesture same like in the PUBG how it is. So let me try to come close to the each other fingers. So let's see, friends, what will be the reactions are in this kind of multi-touch issues, as you can see. So you cannot come close to the two fingers at once, so then it will detect as a one finger. As you can see, friends, this is what happens sometimes. So maybe when you're trying to play the PUBG game, when the two fingers are coming very close to each other, sometimes they will become a single finger and they will pretend. As you can see here, this was the problem, I think, that is was causing sometimes. As you can see the gap as well, how much gap is there between two fingers, but still they are trying to come in a contact. So this happens only if you're using the multiple fingers while playing the games, particularly the PUBG game. Well, most of the users, they do play with the three fingers or four finger gestures. So it depends upon the users and what type of method they are using. But overall, I just thought of mentioning this kind of video as well. So just in case if you're facing any kind of issues, so it is a video, friends, for you all. And try to download this application and test for yourself in your smartphone how it's behaving. So you'll get to know the results when you're trying to move here. So usually this happens in a couple of other smartphones as well. Previously, I do remember Redmi K20 Pro where there are some kind of touch issues has happened. So where one finger, and when the second finger moves around, the first finger it will try to move a lot. But right now it's not happening like that. And third finger, as you can see now, right now. So that's it, friends. This is a quick test using the multi-finger gestures in this Mi11X device. And overall, I didn't feel much problem, but definitely if you are feeling that kind of multiple touch issues, so make sure to comment below about this Mi11X device in case if you're having problem regarding while playing PUBG game. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.